Kanjani mfethu? No way bafethu. You know this kind of questions sengizwisa ubuhlungu because sikhuluma nge-hate. Uyabo? Hatred. Uyabo? Kule instance yami ngikhuluma ngoMalema every day but it's just that uMalema imoto ehambayo. I want people to understand this. Umalema imoto ehambayo and imoto ehambayo inkokhothwa izinja. But lezi nje ezinkonkothayo ngathi abantu bayakhohlwa ukuthi akusizinja ezifuna ukuyiluma le moto kuphela. Nezinja ezifuna ezijabulelayo ezibonayo into eziyenzayo ziyankonkhotha uzozibona ngemisila kodwa izinja ishaya imisila. Uyangithola? So there is no way ngingazonda uMalema. It's just that uMalema khona into ayenzayo mfethu akafani nalabantu abahlala bathi ngiyamzonda mangikhuluma ngaye. Uyangiunderstand? uMalema khona into ayenzayo epositive. It shows ukuthi nami I can see uMalema, I respect uMalema, I see what he's doing. Uyangithola? Ngiyayibona ukuthi usebenzela umphakathi. Uyabona? But nami because I'm part of South Africa bafethu nami I'm a citizen la. You understand? So uMalema makakhuluma uMalema separlamente igovernment yethu uMalema uyasirula. Uyabona? Anyhow. So makakhulumile nami ngikhona ukuthi ngibheke indabeni zamapolitiki ngicommente. Nami ngi-citizen. Abantu baya kulento yokuthi mina I'm a #1 educational speaker only. Uyabona? No. I'm a #1 educational speaker and I'm a citizen of South Africa. Kuwo wonke ama-issue, I have a right to comment. And kwinto ye-hatred yona, mina ugogo wami wangifundisa yabo ukuthi umuntu omhatayo, umuntu omzondayo, umuntu ongamfuni, awukhulumi naye, awukhulumi ngaye, awukhulumi nangezinto zakhe, awubizi negama lakhe for that matter. That's what I was taught by my grandmother. So if bengimhate uMalema or anyone engikhuluma ngaye for that matter, bengimhate bengeke ngikhulume ngamagama wabo, bengeke ngikhulume ngabo. Waye ngizobayenza famous, mina ngizitshela kanjalo. Yabona? Waye ngizoloku into kusho ukuthi sengiyamsukela ngaleso sikhathi. Yabona? But for the fact ukuthi ngibiza igama lakhe ngikhuluma ngaye, kuyabonakala ukuthi lo muntu ngiyamthanda. Concerning ngezinto azenzayo nazikhulumayo as big citizen in South Africa. Uyangithola? So angazi ngikhuluma ngani bafethu manithi ngizonda uMalema. Mina the way ngibona ngakhona wonke umuntu ozwi-comment yami ngikhuluma ngoMalema because angikhulumi ngoMalema as a person. Ngikhuluma ngoMalema ngezinto azikhulumayo la. People bona bathe they tend to be personal. And into engibona ukuthi baba personal ngayo indaba yokuthi wena self umuntu une-hatred uzwela ubuhlungu ngokwakho uyamzonda uMalema but now you always wanted to tell him but you can't because nawe uzitshela ukuthi uyasifihla. Uyabona? So wenzani umtshela ngami utshela uMalema kodwa ngami ukuthi wena uyamzonda. Asekeleni ukwenza lento singama-South Africans please bafethu. Uyabona? Bengeke ngikhulume ngoMalema mina ngimzonda bengeke. Yabona? Into engifuna futhi abantu bayifunde bafethu ukuthi uMalema as a leader of EFF akusi leader ye-EFF kuphela, i-leader yama-citizens wonke, i-leader yami nami as a leader ye-South African politics, South African laws. Uyangithola? Nami leader yami abantu especially ama-fight ama-EFF kumele aqonde lento because I understand abangithukayo la abayithatha wrong ama-fighters ama-EFF. So bafethu bhekani la 3 words EFF, Economic Freedom Fighters. Nina ngathi seniconcentrate manje kule fighter phela. Uyangithola? Even noMalema mhlambe naye angangifakazela ukuthi no, leyo fight leyo is not physical. Uyangithola? We are fighting for economy but not physically. Akulewa. yake asekeleni hatred, asekeleni kuba personal. I understand kunabantu abathanda IEC personal manje more than EFF itself. I understand that. So bafethu, I want to say calm down. I don't hate uMalema. Kahle kahle is one of my favorite big men in South Africa, to be precise. You know, manje eSouth Africa kwenzeka into ekudala abantu bafuna iyenzeke, like kube ngathi kuzoboshwa abantu, kube ngathi abantu bayejele, because dala sibona icorruption, dala siloko sikhala istrike izenzeka ini abantu bashona kusolisa, uyabo. So makuphuma izinto ezisoka ezikhishwa lapha ku commission ngo Mr Mkhonazi, indaba yokuthi hey inkinga enkulu le, because now kukhulunywa nangendaba zama 2007, 2006, 2011, uyabona. So manje ingozi kakhulu, because mangithi ngiyabheka ama political party apart from iANC abuya ku ANC wonke, yabo, ama leader walawo ma party abuya ku ANC. So makukhulunywa icorruption from ubudala bungaka as 2007, so ngibona ukuthi abaningi bazoba implicated la, ama former ANC members bahamba bayozivulela wabo amapati, ngifila ukuthi bazoba implicated. So now asithi ke seyiphelile kaMkhonazi, lo kumele ayejele uyile, lo kumele abhadale ubhadele, iphelile leyo nto. Now siya kuma vote, masiya kuma vote asiqaleni kuqala kuma party, political parties wethu, uyayibona le, kusho ukuthi manje wonke amapati azoba affected ngendaba kaMkhonazi. How so? Khona manje ANC affected very bad ngendaba zokuthi icorruption idume ngaku ma members wayo, uyabona. So manje izo affecteka in terms of numbers. Khumbula ukuthi ama politics, it's numbers that puts you in power, abantu abakuvotelayo. So thina abantu abakuvotelayo, iANC nayo icorrupt, siyabaleka, hence siyakwamanye amapati abanye singasavote. So now ikhawathekile iANC, lama party amanye nawo azokhawatheka ngama leadership wabo nawo, yabona. Manje sekuzobane pupuru kujampuyo manje ama-bridge kuyiwa ngapha, abanye bathi bahamba naye, abanye bathi ini, abanye bakwatile, abanye bazobuyela ku-ANC futhi bathi now i-ANC phela yona umsebenzi wayo sekuzobe sekuyini ukwenza i-damage control yokuthi okay bafethu we are new ANC now, and then aba-corrupt bahambile, nibonile, uyangi-understand, nisibonele nani, ene sisibonele ne, ene laba kubamanye amapati nabo ba-affected with the very same thing affect i-ANC yokuthi ama-leadership wabo a-corrupt. Although uzwa abantu balwa mawubosha leader abakuthandayo bangaqabanganga bathi hands off our leader, hands off our leader, but the reality is bazobe ba-affectekile nabo. Khona abantu abazongala ama-numbers baze ngapha, abanye bayengale, abanye baze ngapha. So wonke amapati a-affectekile azoya phansi wonke kanye ne-ANC nalamanye amaphathi, ngoba futhi wona mancane. I-ANC izowina nge-1% because yona inamsebenzi omningi ekumele uwenze. Ithi nje bafethu nibonile bayile akusana corruption, because asibelieve la, asikholweni la, sizwaneni la, in every company kutshontshwa khona, everyone is stealing in that company ne? But I'm telling you, not all of them will steal in that company. Yonke indawo la kutshontswa khona, la kune corruption khona, esipholiseni khona ba-corrupt, khona bangekho corrupt. uMkhonazi uyiprovile leyo. So bafethu wonke umuntu i-political party la izobe affected. So mina I still think ANC ingabuyela in power, but not with that power. Kuzomele manje isebenze kuyo to grow again. I think no one is hating me. I call them my haters in disguise. They are in denial. Because abantu bazobuhlungu in their personal lives. So they want to dish that out. So now I put myself on the spot. wabona, to say okay nithetha nkoni nakhiphelani kimi lokukota kwenu, but bafethu fundani in the process ukuthi you don't have to do that, wabona. Wena you can do it without ukuthi uthuke omunye umuntu or ube snacks komunye umuntu or ube nomona komunye umuntu. You don't have to be bad because you are closing now the gate for your own luck. You understand? So I believe ukuthi bangaphola nabo because bayagula labantu, yabo. Akusiyo umuntu obuye ejele kuphela ogulayo. Abantu bavelelwa yinkinga, bayagula, bakolota namadlozi, umuntu akakahlabi inkomo. Hayi.